You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. We're exploring the stunning landscapes of Patagonia in just 1 minute. Imagine towering mountains draped in snow, with glaciers that stretch as far as the eye can see. Welcome to Patagonia, where nature's raw beauty is on full display. Here you can trek through green valleys with crystal-clear lakes reflecting the sky like a mirror. Picture yourself standing at the foot of the mighty Andes, feeling the crisp air fill your lungs. Patagonia is a land of contrast. From the icy blue of the Perito Moreno Glacier to the rugged peaks of Torres del Paine, every corner offers a new adventure. Encounter wildlife like guanacos and condors and soak in the serenity of untouched nature. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or just taking it all in, Patagonia's vast wilderness promises an unforgettable experience. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and embark on the journey of a lifetime. Explore Patagonia, where every moment is a breathtaking memory.